The environment we live in is precious, and I'm covering just a few aspects of the environment because it's a huge subject. And we're going to concentrate a little bit on soils and the types of growth. So the growth that we get in the uplands for sheep farming will be different than we get in the coastal regions of Pembrokeshire or the farming land in Carmarthenshire, where dairy farming takes a different type of growth. We've got some soil samples that you've looked at, and we're going to reuse those and test them on some seeds. So this is the experiment 4 of comparing the growth of seeds, and the only one that's any different is number 6, which is the pot that has no soil in it. So it's like our control sample, and with the piece of absorbing paper that you put in your kit, you need to draw around the base of the pot and then cut out the circle to lay in the bottom on top of the piece of absorbent paper. So your number 6 will be the blank, if you like. It's just growing with the water. So put the soils into the rest of the pots, 1 to 5 as indicated, and then following the instructions in the booklet, scatter a few seeds loosely on the top of each and try and treat them all the same so that you're standardising the conditions. So here's pot 3 or soil 3 with cress happily growing, and I'm about to trim it and eat it. Make sure you don't eat the soil. Yum. So here we go. Just to prove that you can eat it. Avoid the soil, obviously. Very peppery, and the longer you leave it, so it's been becoming more green and taking up more of the nutrients in the soil, the more peppery it gets, but it's really good sprinkled on the top of your salad. Hope you enjoy. But don't forget to compare the types of growth between the different soils and see which is the most effective.